It's recording now. We'll see what happens.
Alright. Bro, take that sucker up there, son.
No, here, you fly it, doggy.
Give me that thing. Keep going up, baby. Keep going up.
Fly it now.
It ain't going nowhere.
No, you have to use this one to fly it.
Well. Look at it, look at it.
Look at it go. Later, dude.
Dude, the camera's dope.
That's dope as Fizzuck. I lost it, yo. Oh, there it is. Oh my god.
Oh, it's spinning around in a circle. Alright, watch it's coming back. Nope, it's going the other way. Here we go. Come on back, guy. Here we are, here we are. Hey, look at it, look at this, look at it.
Hey, you guys.
Oh, it backed off of us.
Fuck is me.
Alright, now, how do I get it to come home?
Well, here, hold on. Don't
First things
don't bring it
first.
home yet. I want to play with it a little more. If you're
Yeah.
done with it.
It's gonna circle us.
Look at it, just circling up there.
How about it follow us? Alright, well, let's
Daisy,
get it
come.
off that.
Wait, what are you doing?
I brought it to
Follow you?
us. Oh no, it's not on doing anything. Yes. Your aircraft, oh shit. Should be between 5 and 35 meters away. Alright, well, let's come on down then, guy.
Is it on us right now, or is the camera pointed up?
Oh.
Now, did you click the follow?
No.
Yeah, do it. Click the follow and see.
I
walk
mean, it's
around
still
with
too
this.
far away. Here it comes. Hey, guy. Oh no, it's circling again. I made it circle again. Follow us. There it is.
Alright, that's gotta be enough. So, here, give it to me. Give it to me. My turn. Oh, it's just telling you, like, it's working. It's just telling you that it should remain.
Oh.
Yeah, right?
No. The camera's over there on that rock. No.
There it goes.
No, bro.
Yeah, watch. Hey, I'm not doing nothing.
Alright. Alright, let's do it, dude. Let's roll. You got this? You're in charge.
I mean, we'll find out.
We sure will, won't
Go. Daisy.
we? Daisy, come on. Come on, Daisy. Good girl. Come on. Oh, goodness. Oh, good girl. Hi. Good girl. You come when you call. Good girl.
You're boggle, bro.
I got it. I got it. Oh, I don't got it. Alright, I got it.
Drop it in the water or what?
Yeah, yeah. You fishing, dude.
I know, but I'm flying this dude.
I don't know what else.
I'm focusing on that. I put on water and you're not even.
Dude, this is going right in the creek, isn't it?
Right in the creek, he says.
How much battery do we have on that sucker? When we get to
3 out of 4 bars.
alright, when we get to 2, we better shut her down.
Ridiculous.
We're about to go through a rapid too. It's gonna be sick. We're missing some good fishing water though. That sucks.
Well,
It's alright.
I mean, actually,
It's alright. This is part of the yeah. Yes, Eric. Yes. Get it over here on this right side. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, look at this sucker's on us. It's alright. It's alright.
I know I'm kind of getting it. Pointing it out.
Alright, fling it over here to the right here. Yeah, get that sucker out there. Let the tension in the water take it out so you can cast it. Yeah. Bro, please God, catch a fish right now. Oh no. Do we need to get over to the bank?
Whoa, bro. Hey, here, it's not here. I don't know what it's doing.
Oh, it's gone.
No, it's going home. Where is it? Dude, go back. Go back,
I can't go back.
It's going home because why would it do that though? Like this. We got battery, dog. I don't even see it right now, dude.
I don't either.
Oh, hold on, let me see if I can.
Oh. I hear it. Oh, there it is.
Where?
There it is.
Where?
It's
Point
right,
to it so I can fucking see
right
it.
here, right here.
Here, take it. I can't see it right now. It's still in the air, so get it to the shore or something.
Oh, I lost it. Oh, okay, I see it. I see it. All right, I got it over the shore here.
Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay, fly to us. You got it. Fly to us. Take your time. She's okay.